Sempena dengan majlis ini juga kami mohon rahmat-Mu ya Allah. Kurniakanlah kepada kedua-dua mempelai yang diraikan ini kehidupan yang sihat dan selamat sejahtera serta dikurniakan zuriat yang soleh. Amin.
I've known Benjamin since Form 4. I remember taking his seat on my first day while he was absent. Little did I know that would spark a lifelong friendship. When I first met Shah, I was struck by how perfectly she complements Ben. She is just as soft-spoken as Ben is, but she knows exactly what she wants, and she wants Ben.
I'm a best friend of Shah since 10 years ago. Yeah, we have been at school since secondary school. So we have been a lot of ups and downs together, and I feel like I'm filtering a lot of boys. Yes, finally at the end, she's find the right one, the right man who can taking care of him.
Yang membuat the first move? Siapa yang lebih kemas dan pembersih? Wow! Jim, so who is the most elegant? Jim, ini soalan perangkap.